on next to Tori's desk.
We're doing it?
Mm-hmm. Harder.
Well, that bounced right into the thing.
Didn't do it?
No, I just mushed it a little bit.
Okay, now.
It's just gonna mush it.
No, it's not. Harder.
I'm trying to irritate you.
Harder.
God, Scott. Harder. It's not doing
come on.
anything.
It's too bouncy.
Watch this. I'll do
It's
it.
too bouncy. I think we have to
God.
have different controls or something.
She's gonna like
You hold
put a
this.
freaking hole through
Alright.
his like the table. Oh, it did.
Yeah.
Well, I think Wes is more concerned about not putting his table.
Ooh, broken
pieces.
There you go.
Fuck you, Tori.
Very nice. There you go.